Hi, this is Kim from Vayu Yoga. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you haven't already, please feel free to hit the subscribe button in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. Thank you, and we'll get started. I would like you to find a comfortable seat, whatever that means for you. If you need to sit in a chair to be comfortable, or cross-legged, lotus, half lotus, whatever works for you. I'm going to take a mudra here by placing my thumb and my pointer finger together, but if that doesn't resonate with you, then you can go ahead and scrap that. Basically, we want our spine nice and tall, our shoulders over our hips. You can close your eyes or gaze down towards your mat or your legs. And just begin to settle into your natural breath, whatever it's doing right now, without trying to change anything. Just noticing. Noticing the sound. And noticing the length of your breath. If you find that your mind has begun to wander, a nice easy way to keep it on your breath is to use a count. You can inhale 1, exhale 1, inhale 2, exhale 2, and so on until you get to 10. Once you get to 10, start back at 1. Now some days it's hard to get to number 2, and that's okay. Don't get discouraged. Any amount of practice is better than no practice. So just continue to follow your breath. And if you still find your mind wandering, if the counting is not working for you, saying a little mantra or just a little phrase sometimes helps as well. Simply saying, I am breathing in on the inhale, and I am breathing out on the exhale. And another nice one, if you find yourself a little anxious today, breathing in, I calm my body. Breathing out, I smile. Breathing in, I calm my body. Breathing out, I smile. Okay, you can slowly flutter your eyes open. Take a full deep breath. Exhale. Bring your hands to your hearts. And then up to your third eye point if you would like. And namaste. And we'll try again tomorrow. Thanks again for joining me. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. And I hope to see you again soon.